The SMS360 risk module can store and manage actual and potential type risks and hazards. In the first example, we will look at a management of change type risk, which is a potential type of risk. We will demonstrate how information can be entered in this risk, but we won't actually save any of the information in this example. The Details tab of the risk stores useful information associated with the risk. This is customizable, however, typically the information shown in this example is used. The Hazard tab display the hazard identification and risk analysis process known as HIRA. The generic hazard can be added in the first column, and a preset list of generic hazard descriptors can be selected and a description added. In a similar way, the specific hazards associated with the generic can be entered in the second column. The defenses, barriers or controls for a specific hazard can be linked and added in the third column. The defense can be identified as ineffective by unchecking the checkbox. The first three columns make up the hazard identification part of the HIRA process. The risk analysis part of the HIRA process starts with identifying the consequence of each defense failing and assessing the current risk of that consequence. The risk matrix used are configurable, and the one shown is the standard IKO matrix. If the current risk is acceptable, then there's no need for a mitigating action. For other risks, however, a mitigating action might be required and the residual risk can be selected and a description of any residual risk be added. The risk mitigating action work in a very similar way to those in the SMS360 incident module and can be assigned to a department, a user or an external party via email. There is an attachment tab for uploading and storing relevant files and a history log tab to record key activities. As mentioned, the risk module can also store and manage actual risks. In this example, a number of similar incidents have been reported in the SMS360 incident module, and a risk has been created to manage them centrally in SMS360. The hyperlinks to the individual incidents are stored in the source details box. Hyperlinks to nonconformances in the SMS360 audit module can also be added here.